Hey, it's just Sam here from Sensational. So as you can see, I'm in my comfy cardigan. It's that perfect season for the snuggly jumpers, hot water bottles, hopefully not get a cold. It is autumn and I'm embracing it fully. And actually we are in today's video going to be doing some autumnal swatches with these colours, which is going to be really interesting and hopefully give you an idea what nail polishes and gels and mixtures of everything what you want to wear this autumn. As well as this is quite similar to the strip gel that we have with, you know, you have it in a bottle and you let it air dry super quick and easy. But we're using the nail shield. So you get several shields, kind of slices, you could call them, that you put on your nails, and it's a layer between the gel polish and your nail. It's kind of like a protective layer, as well as it just makes it super easy to put it on and put it off and change your colors. So that's going to be really interesting. And obviously make sure, guys, to stay nice and cozy, because I've already had my flu/cold for the season. I'm hoping that I'm over it now and that I'm not going to get another one, so make sure to stay cozy. Other than that, make sure you give this video a good like, share, comment, subscribe, and that bell notification button. Ka-ching! So if we go through what we actually get in our nail shield package, you get 3 items. So you get your actual nail shields. So as you can see, there's the shapes. You've got all different shapes and sizes for each nail. You also get a type buffer, but it's not to buff out your whole nail, it's only the edges. And last but not least, you also get a cuticle stick, which is really useful to remove any kind of bubbles and to make sure that everything is dandelion and perfect. So the best way to apply these is initially you want to use your double-sided buffer and get the desired shape and lightly buff away on each nail. After that, I suggest you go and wash your hands with some dish soap, as it does not contain any oil. Once that is done, make sure to use your gel cleanser and your gel cleansing pads and just give a nice little quick layer and let that air dry before you get started. Once you get that done, you want to go ahead and grab your actual nail shields, and you want to just go through each nail, making sure which kind of size you want to go for. So as you can see, I've actually applied all of my nail sheets apart from my index finger. So if you kind of use the side just like so, and it's very easy to kind of assess which one will be perfect for each nail. And the best way to do it is, so I can say that this one will be very suitable for my index finger. All you have to do is just peel away on the one side, like so. And then as they're very long, you can kind of be sparingly with the top bit. Unless you've got longer nails, then obviously just be a bit more careful. And then the best way to apply is like this, and then using your cuticle stick. It's super easy. It's really good for if you want to kind of get it done quickly, you want to change up your colours more often. It's obviously less damaging in the way that you don't have to use any acetone, and it lasts very long, so it's very, very good. Once you have it relatively bubble free, what I'm going to do next, before I completely finish it off and make sure everything is smooth, we're using our nice little white hard buffer. And like I said, you only want to do the edges. You don't want to go too aham, and you don't want to go on the actual nail, because this could damage your nail if you do it too crazy. So just take your time, and it's just that easy. See? To make sure nice and even, we're just going to use our cuticle stick and just go through to make sure all the bubbles are bye-bye. Once that is done, you can go ahead and use your gel colour. You don't need to do any more prep work, and you don't need to prime or use any base coat or gel coat. So go for it, have fun. Let's go into our colours now. We have several colours. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colours. So to start off with, let's look at Sugar Plum. As you can see, it's a lovely burgundy colour, which I always think burgundy with autumn, and it just goes so well. It's kind of like the equivalent of a good old red, but for winter period. So that's really good. So that's our first colour. So our second colour is Ocean Sparkle. As you can see, I would say it's kind of like a charcoaly, bluey, grey colour with a bit of sparkle, as the name says. It's perfect for the winter period because for me personally, I do like a good old black, but sometimes you need kind of a pick-me-up with this weather and all that kind of stuff. This is a really lovely colour, and I think I'm actually looking forward to this one, so that's going to be exciting. The third colour we have, which is really popping and actually gets me in the party mood, but it's the perfect autumn colour for if you're going to an event, any kind of like party that you've got, like pre-Christmas parties, all that kind of stuff, any excuse to go out for a good party, hey. And this one's called Gold Glitter. So as the name says it's gold and it's glitter and it's glamorous. So that's our third one. Our fourth one, so this one's called Eternal Flame. I love this. I love any oranges, any kind of colour that's in the orange spectrum, if I'm saying that word right. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, because you know, sometimes you get the names wrong. But I love this colour. It does remind me a lot of summer as well, but it's kind of the perfect autumn look that you're kind of, I love autumn, but I'm still not over summer. I want to still have a bit of summer in my life. So that's a really lovely colour. And I would say that an orange colour goes with pretty much anything, even with blues. Like I've been having greeny blue hair, and I think orange is a great colour. And last but not least, we have Iron Mama, which is a lovely colour. Funny name, I love the name. Let me know what you think in the comments of the name and what kind of names you guys think this is like really cool, huh? So it's a purple as I was gonna say the name says, but the name doesn't say purple. And it's very sparkly. So I'm gonna be very interested to see how this actually looks on the nail, because I've never used a purple sparkle, and that's really autumnal as well. So you can't go wrong with that. Let's go ahead and swatch them and see the true colour of it. Let's start off with Gold Glitter on our small little nail. Oh wow, super sparkly, just like the name says. Packaging obviously on the actual polish doesn't do justice to the actual gloriousness inside the bottle. So it's really nice because you can actually build it up bit by bit. You can also, this is a perfect gold glitter that you can build it up onto a different colour polish if you want some extra sparkle, but let's just leave it as that and then obviously go on to the next colour. So our next colour I've chosen for our ring finger, sorry guys. What's wrong with my English today? It must be that fever of cold in autumn. So we're using Eternal Flame, and oh wow, talk about fire. This is stunning. Wow. This colour is absolutely gorgeous. So our third colour is Iron Mama, and we're going to put that on our middle finger, and this is a lovely purple. I've never used a purple. Well, oh wow. Wow, these colours. Whoa. Wow, did not expect that. Wow. I genuinely cannot believe how cool this colour is. As always, make sure to cap your nails, and if you need any kind of advice on how to get the perfect gel, we have a how to apply gel like a pro in the description down below. But I love this colour. I've just capped them kind of a bit thick in the top bit at the moment just because it's slightly migrating, which is no problem. But the finish of this is super lovely and sparkly. I would definitely say build it up maybe 2-3 coats, depending how much you want. But I really like that. So for our fourth colour, we have a colour called Sugar Plum, and it's a lovely burgundy colour, like we said earlier. I'm kind of like thinking, oh, what's it going to be like when we open it? Oh yeah, just like a burgundy, just as expected. No surprise here. Looks very nice, very intense burgundy. So this would be a really nice everyday kind of colour. It's kind of like the equivalent of a perfect nude, but for the winter period. Yeah, so I quite like it. Nice consistency, easy to apply. You can never go wrong like a colour like this, same as when you go for a red or a pinkish colour. Really easy, even though it's dark, because normally with dark colours you have to be very perfect at applying them, but this is very good. I like it. As always, make sure to always go ahead and cure in between and put however many coats you desire. So our last but not least swatch that we're doing is called Ocean Sparkle. So I'm kind of curious on what kind of colour this is going to be like, because some of them have been a bit surprising. And this is going, oh, wow. Wow. I like this colour. I already know that I'm gonna love this. It's a teal. Right, that's it. Nope, I'm done for the day. This is amazing. I love this teal. It's the same kind of consistency as the purpley blue one that we tried out earlier. It's obviously the sparkly bit. I find that when there's the sparkly bits in it, it's slightly thicker, and I actually really like working with these ones. I love this colour. I'm sold. That's it now. I'm good. And as always, make sure you cap your nails and get your desired shade by applying as many coats as you wish. As you can see, we are all done with our colours. I have done several coats of each colour to the desired shade. I have also gone ahead and used my top coat and then cleansed with gel cleanser. So go ahead and do that yourselves. But this is the look that we've gone for, and obviously these are the swatches. I am kind of on the fence on which is my favourite colour, whether I prefer the purpley bluish one or more the teal one, or even the flaming orange one. I love the flaming orange one. And to me, I've got to say I'm on the fence between those three colours. I love the burgundy, like I said, it's a perfect statement colour. It's like your perfect nude, but for winter. And then the gold, you can never go wrong. You feel glamorous, it's perfect. And also you can kind of put it on any kind of colour. So if you've got a different colour, you know, like a red or a pink or any blue, green, and then you can put a swipe of gold on it and it just gives it an extra sparkle. So I absolutely love that, and I love the teal. So that is that. So, you know, what do you guys think? What is your favourite colour? What would you say your autumn look's going to be? And if you have any kind of designs and colours that you like and inspiration, I want to see that inspiration, because I need some autumn inspiration to get me in the mood. And yeah, make sure you hashtag Sensationnails on Instagram, Twitter, all that fun jazz.